Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Google Assistants on your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro. You have to start by open application. Now go to Earbuds controls at the bottom and right here choose the left one or right one earbud to manage it. I choose the left one, but if you want to right one, just click on it and choose the best one for you. So now we can choose a double tap or triple tap. I guess triple tap is the better for me, so I click on it and click on Voice Assistant. Now, if I press 3 times, I will manage Google Assistant. Right here, so let's check it. And here we go. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.